Return of the bird. Oh.
Damn it. Oh, now he's over there. Oh, but there's two of them.
Yeah, his other one wants it.
Did he bring it with him over there? Oh, he
Yeah. Pretty sure this bird is treating that sucker like a seed. A seed with a handle. Trying very hard to get it off. So the bird has come to help or steal it. We're not sure. Hasn't made any aggressive moves so far.
Nope.
Yep, the sucker bird has left. He's on another car roof. Starting to think we should park a different spot. Gonna come back with sucker smeared all over our windshield. That bird. What a sucker.